What's up? It's Becker, that guy who was in the last video and is now in this video. In this video, we're going to be getting into making your first website. This is actually not a complicated process. If you've been worrying about this or think you need technical knowledge, it's as simple as inputting text into text blocks. You do it every single day when you log into Facebook. It's very easy to do. Now, if you're watching this and you're a complete beginner, it might seem complicated at first. Remember, just follow exactly what I'm doing in the videos. When I first got started with this, the video I watched was so backwards and silly that I was like screaming at Starbucks and like I was crying a little bit because it was so stupid. I'm gonna make this really simple for you and really cheap, and as cheap as it possibly can be. If this is too expensive for your blood, it's gonna cost you a whole $9. It's going to be really hard to get started in internet marketing because then you won't ever be able to make a website. With that being said, let's hop over and let's get into how to create our first website.
Howdy, their partner. What's going on? It's Becker. And same shit we've been doing the whole entire time. It's a beginner's course. So before we get into anything, remember, have you subscribed on YouTube yet? If not, why? Rude. Please do so now. If you want free software and more free courses and training like this, please be sure to click here as well so that you can go in and not only get the free software, it's really good at ranking the sites that we're going to be building in this course, but you're also going to get tons of free training and updates from SourceWave and all sorts of cool stuff. And be sure to click here as well to join the SourceWave Facebook group so you can get in on it and have a lot of fun chatting with other people doing SEO and who probably know a few more things than you do that you can learn from as well. On top of that, if you're interested in getting more training like this, more advanced, you crazy direct coaching and stuff like that, be sure to check out Source Uni. It's pretty cheap, actually, Source University. It's pretty cheap, and we'll take your SEO to the next level. You can click below this video to see the hundreds of results we've gotten people. Now, without further ado, making our first website. How do we go out there and do this, and how do we do it right the first the first time? Okay, so we're going to hop over to the interweb now, and we're going to create our first website. So let's do it. Okay, so here is step one of this process, and I'm going to try and make this as simple as possible because people make this too complicated, and it's not. Okay, so step one, we're going to go to namecheap.com, okay? Linked, or you can just Google Namecheap. I'm not even going to link you. Just go to Google and exercise your right to Google things and type in Namecheap, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to buy a domain name. Now, what will our domain name be? Well, this is really, really easy. We're going to take the niche you chose, and then we're going to add the word Finder, HQ, or anything you want to it. What I like to do is either add the word Finder or directory to the end of whatever we're doing. So I'm going to type in hair transplant finder.com, okay? And you can actually just type in the keyword. It'll go find stuff for you. So I typed in hairtransplantfinder.com. It is wide open. It should be. It's not like it's a popular website. Oh, no, it's taken. No, this whole course is, I'm just kidding. I'm going to go and find the .net. That's the next thing you want to look for. If you're doing this, the .net, anything doesn't matter, okay? It just doesn't matter. What you want to go for is the .com, the .net, and the .org work just as fine. If you cannot get the .com and you have a giant boner for the .com, just put S or something on the end of it and you can register the .com. I have been dastardly outdone in this example right here, so I'm just going to get hairtransplantfinder.net. Okay, so you're going to see there's going to be a view cart thing, and then you're going to check out here just like you check out anywhere else online. So I will see you on the other side of checkout. Okay, cool, dude. I just bought hairtransplantfinder.net. I mean, moving up in the world, my parents are proud now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to HostGator, okay? There's a lot of other website hosts you can use. HostGator is really easy to set up if you don't know what you're doing. All of them are really easy to set up if you don't know what you're doing. So we're going to go over to HostGator, which you can find by clicking the annotation link in this video. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go and actually get web hosting right here. We don't want to do that. We want to go web hosting, all right? And what you want to get is the baby plan, okay? The baby plan's a little bit more expensive, but allows you to host multiple websites, and this will do it a little bit better for you. So you're going to want to go down to monthly because you don't want to pay all that money all at once. You're just getting started. So go down to monthly and select the baby plan and hit sign up now, okay? Now, you're going to put, I already own the domain name. You don't want to register through HostGator. It's confusing as fook. Okay, and I didn't say the F word, I said fook. All right, so we're gonna go right here and I'm typing hairtransplantfinder.net. Okay, baby plan, cool. Username, Waka Waka Do 24. Oh, that's too many. Waka Waka Do is going to work for there. Security pin. I'm going to make 1111, and I'm just going to go back and change all this afterwards. So don't hack me, please. Don't hack my erroneous website. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and I'm going to pay through PayPal and then finish up the rest of this. So I'm going to complete this order form. And one thing you want to make sure you don't do, click off secure and accelerate your site. Click off the backup. Doesn't matter. You're not going to need this stuff. We're building a dinky site. Let's get real, all right? That's like buying the leather seats for your Honda Civic 2004 model, okay? So let me finish this all up. All right, so I've completed all that, and I'm going to go check out now, because checking out is what we want to do. All right, we're going to give the man some money. I'm going to ramble until this completes. All right, so we're over here, and I'm going to complete. And by the way, that is my PayPal if you want to send me any money at this time. All right, so cool. This cool little alligator is now like, hey, we're setting up your account, Alex. Just hold the F on. Patience. Still building the account. Working on it, dude. Yeah, taking our time. Not making a good case for HostGator. Taking a wee bit too long to set up an account. Hey, Alex, we probably are not going to set up your account. Still waiting. We're working on science and stuff. All right, so look at this. After 2 hours, actually, you just had to refresh the page. That was my mistake. But after 2 hours, I have access to all the award-winning features and shit that's in the HostGator customer portal. Woo! Woo! All right, so now what you need to do next is you're going to go over here and click Packages. You're going to click on HostGator's package. All right, so then you're going to go and you're going to click right here. And this is what we like to call a cPanel, okay? Don't get complicated by all the numbers and stuff like that. It's not intimidating. It's actually very simple. Now, to go and log in to your thingamajig, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your email that you sign up with, and it's going to be under your email. I don't know why they're not more straightforward with it. I'm going to write them a nasty note for us after that. But anyways, here's my username. Here's my password. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to go and log into our legendary cPanel. So we're going to go right here. You're going to see this. We're just going to grab that good old crap from our email and just jam it right in there, okay? And as forcefully as we possibly can. And that's all we really need to do. So this is going to log us into our cPanel. This is going to give us some information that we actually already got in our email. But I'm going to show you two different places to get it. Get out of my face, Gator. No. Fine. Thanks. Okay? So what you're going to see when we go down here is you're going to see these things called name servers. Okay? And this is really the core of any website transfer hosting thing ever. And this is all it takes to set up hosting. We've set up the hosting. We set up Namecheap. So we're going to go back over to Namecheap. Now, you're going to see this domain registration. We're going to go to manage this domain, or you can get to it by any of the million ways to get to it in Namecheap. Okay, so what you're going to do if you're normally getting there, because I'm figuring you're going to get lost, is we're just going to go over here and we're going to go to dashboard of your account. Okay, it's kind of confusing. Then we're going to go to domain list. Actually, I'm just going to go and grab the one we just picked up. Okay, we're going to go click here. We got hairtransplantfinder.org, and I'm just going to click manage, or .net, whatever the hell the domain is, okay? So we're going to go down here, and you're going to go to update name servers, all right? We're going to click edit, and we're going to go down to custom. Very simple. Now you see name server 1. We're going to go right here and grab name server 1 from HostGator and copy it right there. We're going to go and grab HostGator 2, copy it right there. We're going to hit Save Changes. Okay, cool. And this right here is really all it takes to set up your hosting. So just to go over it again, we go and we register a domain on Namecheap. Okay, after we go and register it, we're going to go set up hosting on HostGator, and we're either going to log into our cPanel via how I showed you earlier, or you can actually get your name servers from your email when you sign up for the hosting. So very simple to use right there. That's all there is. And you're going to grab those name servers and you're going to throw them over here. You're going to go to update name servers, go to edit, you're going to go to custom, and you're going to copy and paste them in there. And that's it. You're done. You're done. It's easy. That's all it takes to actually set up a website. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to install WordPress on this website. It's very simple. So we're in the cPanel. Remember how we got here. Remember, okay? I'm even going to log out. Remember, we go to clicking HostGator's package, and you click on the cPanel. We're going to go grab our mystery Google-ish password right there. because we have to have top security for our hair transplant website. And you're going to be in the cPanel, and the gator's going to greet you and offer to sell you something, and offer to stop evildoers, whatever the frick that means. Get out of my face. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go down, not to File Manager, we're going to go down to Quick Install. Quick Install. Quick Install. All right, so at this point in time, what we're going to do is we're going to go in, and we're just going to go to Popular Installs. We're going to go WordPress, and then we're going to hit Install WordPress. Okay, you don't need to buy anything. Now, when you're installing a WordPress, don't be confused by any of these things right here. We're just going to fill this out as is. So I went down and I put in hairtransplantfinder.net. Now, admin email. What I'm going to do right here is I'm going to make the admin email my email. Okay, and I'm just going to put in, there we go. All right. Now, I'm not going to make the blog title. This doesn't matter at this point in time. Just put something in there. I'm going to show you it doesn't matter. I'm going to put in turtle waxing. Hells yeah. Okay, it doesn't matter. All right, admin username. I'm going to make admin. Just make the admin username admin, and we're going to put in first name Bartholomew, and then TTT. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go down and we're going to hit install WordPress. Okay. Don't just ignore all this stuff right here. Just go no thanks to all that crap. Okay. So this is going to get installed on your website. Okay. So we clicked install. WordPress has been installed. Now, if we go over to our website, I'm over here at hairtransplantfinder.net. You will see it just says, "I just installed WordPress for free at Mojo Marketplace." Usually it's not like this, but anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to go up here and you're going to go and click in. You can either click here at login, or you can go up here into your URL bar, you know, that thing you type Google and all sorts of websites into, and you can put in WP admin. Now, what you're going to do right here is you're going to go and put in admin, and your password will be sent to you at the email that you registered with. So I'm going to go grab that real quick. Okay, so where this ended up at in Gmail was in my spam inbox. So I'm going to go down here, and it's going to be the first thing you see actually in promotions. It's going to say install complete powered by Quick Install or whatever. All right, so we're going to go grab our $20 million White House password right here, and you're going to put in admin, the username we set up, and we're going to put in the password. Okay, so we're going to log in to hairtransplantfinder.com. So what we're going to do at this point in time is we're going to do two simple things. All right, we're going to go and click add new. And we're going to go and put, I don't want to upload a plugin. I tricked you, just keeping you on your feet. Where am I going, man? We're going to go to add new. Sorry about that. And then we're going to go into the search bar right here, where you put all-in-one SEO. I prefer this one. You can also use SEO Yoast or whatever. So what we're going to do is install this plugin. We're just getting right here. Again, add new, all-in-one SEO, install now. Okay, so now that's all set up. We want to go and up here to the thing right here that's saying your site is currently displaying a coming soon place. Once you're ready to launch your site, click here. So we're just going to click here. Okay, so we click that, and you can actually see that we have a website set up in WordPress. And this is our stopping point. We have an entire website already set up, built around it, and we're essentially done. And what we're going to be getting into in the next video is how to actually turn this website into something that will actually rank. So just to go back through the steps. First step, register at Namecheap.com. Okay, that's the end of step one. Once you've registered the website, you're going to go to HostGator. Okay, after you complete payment at HostGator, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. You're going to go over here and click HostGator's package, and then you're going to go and click login to your cPanel. Again, you're going to see the username right there. We're going to go grab the password from our email address, and we're going to enter it into the password box. Go figure. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go over. We're going to say, no, I'm fine, thanks, leave me the hell alone. And then we're going to go down to Quick Install. After we go down to Quick Install, we're going to go to WordPress. We're going to hit Install WordPress, and we're going to go and install it right here. We're not going to put anything right here. We're going to fill this out with the admin email. We're going to fill this out with our email address. We're going to put admin user as admin. You can put anything you want, but this will keep it simple. And we're just going to fill the rest out with erroneous crap. And we're going to install WordPress. We're going to go to our website. We're going to click the login button that used to be here, or go to WP-admin. And then we're going to go simply over and install the all-in-one SEO plugin, which I just taught you, so I'm not going to teach you how to do it again. And we're going to click the Make Site Active button. And that is all there is to it, to creating your first website. Make a Facebook post, share it with your friends, or just donate money to my PayPal account, whatever you prefer. So in the next video, we're going to get into how to create this and turn this into an actual SEO site.